We did it. We had our first sale on the Pottery Barn bowls. We have 4 lots of 2, and we sold 2 lots at full asking price. Just bought these a little over a week ago. As I said, we sold 2 lots of the Pottery Barn Great White Pattern cereal or salad bowls. Just bought them recently at the Goodwill. So they have these white dishes here, set of 29 for $14.99. Great White Pottery Barn. The problem is, the bowls are what I want. The bowls are in pretty decent condition, but all the plates are horribly scratched. And that's got some stuffing in it too. We really try to check things out for utensil marks before we buy them. But I might do this, even though I'm going to donate back all of the plates. So that would be 9 bowls, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 bowls for $15. Mark's busy here with the barkeeper's friend. How's it going?
Getting a lot of it, but it's not getting all of it.
Gosh, it looks 100% better than it did.
You can see.
Yeah, but you know what? You put super salad in it, and maybe this is the nature of these bowls. We don't know. Yeah, they're worth a lot of money.
Well, here's what it looks like to start.
Yeah, 4. I know it's hard to see in this lighting. After, they're looking great. Fingers crossed.
I've done the worst ones so far.
All right. As I said, we are returning the dishes to Goodwill. Mark wrapped them all up in newspaper. This is a first, donating back within just a couple of days what we just bought, except for the bowls, Kind of deja vu. When was it we were here? Saturday at the Goodwill. Paid $15 for all 9 bowls. I paid $3.74, and the first 4 sold at full asking price of $39.95 per lot of 2. The total was $79.90, but they got a discount for buying 2 lots of $8. Total sale with shipping and sales tax came to $94.91. What a great sale. Woohoo! These bowls are pretty deep compared to most bowls, so I know that I'm going to have a gap between the bowls once I put this in here. I also know that my foam wrap isn't large enough to go up, around, and in very far. So I'm going to use tissue paper. That still doesn't give enough to fill in the space though. So I'm going to take 1 sheet of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap and cut it into 4 pieces, 4 small squares. And I'm going to place this down inside the bowl. I'm going to do a test fit. That feels really good. It has a nice cushion inside of there. Second bowl, and wrap it in tissue paper. Place it inside this one. And this time I'm going to separate it, even though I've got tissue paper, even though I've got the large square of bubble wrap in here, I still want to separate the bowls by the rim. So I have some foam wrap now, or you could use small bubble wrap. But I'm going to take a square of foam wrap and cut it into 4 pieces. I have 4 squares. Let's take one of the squares and see how this works. It may not work. I'm going to try it. Okay, that gives just a little cushion between the bowls. Now, I have this hollow area on top that I want to fill in, and some large 1/2-inch bubble wrap inside. I don't like the way these are slipping. I don't like that at all. So I've got an idea. I have 2 sheets of small bubble wrap. Folding this in, folding that down, and folding this up. In, down, up, however you want to do it. And to make sure this is really secure, I'm going to use some stretch wrap. I just don't want the bowls shifting during shipping. Press that down. Okay. There's no movement now. The bowls are not shifting. Now let's go to large bubble wrap. I'm trying not to exceed more than 8 inches high. Right now I'm at about 5.5. Got 2 sheets, large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. Let's see if 2 sheets is going to work. It just makes it. Let's get this taped. I'm pulling it kind of taut. A long piece for each end. Turn it, another long piece. And we have one bundle done. Check the height. I'm currently at about 6.5. I'm still good. Set this aside and let's do the second set. So what do we need first? Tissue paper. We now have two pretty decent sized bundles to fit into a box. I have an 18-inch ruler, and it looks like they're going to fit within a 15 to 16-inch box by 12 by 8. I'm using eBay box that is 16 by 12 by 8. I'll get it assembled. I always like to do a test fit. There's one bundle, two, and you can see that I've got lots of room for other packing material. It almost seems like I could cut this box down, but I don't think I'm going to. Because of what the buyer paid, because of the value of them, I'm going to stay with this box and add packing material. I'm going to start with air pillows. 6 and 6. 12 air pillows. I'm adding 3 sheets of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap this direction. I'm going to put these in. Get my thank you label on. 2 bundles. I'll do 2 thank yous this time. I have all this extra room to fill in. I know that it took 6 air pillows on the bottom, so I know that these are 6 air pillows long, so I've torn off 6 air pillows. Little bumper pads, and 6 more. But what about the ends? I'm going to try 4. I often lift up on everything to tuck the air pillows down in. So what do we have now? It's protected by these little air pillows, or bumper pads as you could call them, all the way around. Now I just need to fill in the top. I put a couple of these here. I don't think I have room to put a layer on top. No, I do not. But I can put one down through the center and finish off with some more bubble wrap. Let's see how this works. I'm going to tuck in the ends. It's still a little low here. I'm going to slip another air pillow under, or 2 or 3, whatever it takes. Or place a few if you need to, and then add one more layer of bubble wrap. The bubble wrap has some give to it, and the air pillows intentionally have some give to it. If they didn't have a little bit of give, they would just pop. The box is all taped up, including the side seam. It's ready to go into the mail. What a great sale.